Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, to give you your favorite dishes, favorite food, and also cooking book. Anyway, Christmas is coming up very soon. We all know that Christmas is coming up very soon. There's a 50% discount price at the moment on Amazon, and also you can get it on fast print, and you can visit my website at chefricardocooking.com or chefricardo.co.uk. As you can see, the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book, there's so many people brought the book, they love it, and they also leave their comments. Guys, get your copy, you know what I mean? It's Christmas, you got the Jamaican rum fruit cake also inside of it, and the book is really a reasonable price, which you can afford. You can brought it for someone for their Christmas present, and as I said, there's a 50% discount at the moment on Amazon. So guys, hopefully you just enjoy it, guys, and have a wonderful time. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Remember, this book gonna fall into the new year. Hopefully 2020 we can come out with the next version of the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book. It's just brilliant, guys. We love you. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for the time. And we'll put the link down below where you can click on the link and you can take it where you can get the book to buy. So guys, if you need a cookbook to buy, there's a lot of people asking, where can I get the book to buy? This is on Amazon. Alright, go on, you see the link below, click on that link and you can take it where you can buy a book and leave the comments. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for the time watching the video. And this is the Christmas book, the Caribbean Cuisine cookbook. We love you, thank you so much, and see you next.